Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a fill on my friend here. This is Emily, and she's got hard gel on her nails. I'm just going to go through with my sanding band and buff up the surface, remove any lifting there might be. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks since I've seen her last, so she does kind of manage them on her own, so she doesn't pick them. She'll file around the cuticle part and put top coat on, things like that, just to keep her from picking at them. So there wasn't really much lifting at the tip area, but I did have a little bit around the cuticle part, so now I'm just going to go through and remove all that. I'm using these sanding bands that I got on Amazon. I was running low on my Kiara Sky ones, and I wanted to get something that was a little bit cheaper, and I needed them kind of fast. And yeah, these are not really that great, and they had really good reviews, but they got dull really fast, and I wasn't too impressed. So I think I just need to go back to my Kiara Sky ones. Once I go through all of her nails with my sanding band, I'm now going to go in and start working around the cuticle area. This bit I'm just using to get any of that cuticle that is stuck to the nail plate. And then I'm going to go in with a cuticle ball bit to further buff around the cuticle area so we can prevent lifting. I'm taking some rubbing alcohol on a brush here and just really scrubbing in and around the cuticle and on the nail to remove all of that dust. Then I'm going to go in with Young Nails Protein Bond. I'm going to put this just around the area where there was growth. I don't need to put it all on the nail, just around the cuticle area. And I'm going to do that to all 10 fingers. Once that protein bond gets tacky, I'm going to go in now with the LGN Pro rubber base. I'm going to apply that on all 5 fingers, have her cure that in the lamp for 45 seconds. But while that's curing, I'll be working on her right hand, applying the rubber base over there, and then she'll cure for another 45 seconds. Going in now with True Nude from LGN Pro. I love this color. It is the perfect base for some nail art. I'm going to apply this to all 10 fingers, but I'm only going to show you on 5 because it can get really repetitive. You're supposed to add a slip layer when using hard gel, and that part slipped my mind in the first couple of nails. I don't know why, but it just did. So once I have the bulk of the product down, I go in with a smaller brush to really work it around the edges and around the cuticle area, really trying hard not to touch the skin. After you do this a few times, it does become a lot easier, but if you see that it's starting to pool around the edges, have her flip the hand over and let it pool towards the center. Gravity will pull it towards the center. And you can kind of get it back, but sometimes if you're working hard gel or builder gel too long, the product can really get away from you and it becomes a little overwhelming. So just keep that in mind. You do have to work fast and you don't have to do it all in one shot either. So if you need to add more, you can always add more after you cure it. Once I have all of the product on there and cured in the lamp for a full minute, I have to remove the sticky layer that's on top from the hard gel. Just take some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe to do that. Now I'm going to go in with my sanding band to do up the filing. I suggest using a sanding band or like a hand file to do this part. If you use like a ceramic bit or a metal bit, you can overfile. It's so easy to do, and then you're going to go through and have to add more product. So I really think you can get the job done with a file like this or the hand file. So I'm going to go through and file up these nails.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm going to go in with my hand file and fix the shape of the nails. I'm going to go in with my buffing block and buff up all the surface of the nails for the nail art that we're going to do. She's going to be a devil for Halloween, so we decided on some red French tips with some devilish accents. I'm going to go through and use my Profiles Backstage frosting gel paints in the color red to create this design. I do cure after each nail for a full minute. I don't recommend flash curing with thicker gels because you will get wrinkles and crinkles and you will most likely have to start over because you will not be happy with the way it looks. So now I'm just asking her to look at it, make sure it looks good to her. And we're moving on to the other nails. We're going to put a little devil tail on there. Again, curing for a full minute after that. She wanted a flame as well, and I tried to do the flame so many times. I had to restart. I don't know why it was so freaking hard to do, but I just could not get the flame right. And then when I did get it to where I was happy with it, I didn't even record it. I was so annoyed with myself. So I'm just going to go through and finish up this set. And then we're going to throw in some top coat.
We're running out of time.
for the thumbs, we decided on some little devil horns. And once I was happy with that, I cured in the lamp for a full minute. We added some shiny top coat to these nails, and this here's the finished design. It's a little bit different than what I've done on my channel before, and I thought the design was a cute idea, so I wanted to record it for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set, and if you want to see more shorter sets like this on my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!